The ghost octopus, with its pale, almost transparent body, drifts gently through the ocean depths. Living in complete darkness, it relies on its stealth and camouflage to avoid predators. This rare creature appears ghostly, blending perfectly with its deep-sea surroundings. The cookie-cutter shark gets its name from the round, cookie-shaped bites it takes from its prey. Using its specialized mouth and sharp teeth, it latches onto larger animals, leaving a perfectly circular wound. The small but fearsome shark is a unique hunter in the open ocean. The giant tube worm is found near hydrothermal vents, where it survives without sunlight by relying on bacteria for energy. Growing in dense clusters, these worms thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth, showing the extraordinary adaptability of life in extreme conditions. The Maris orthicana, a type of siphonophore, drifts through the ocean like a glowing chain of jelly. Made up of interconnected organisms that work as one, it moves gracefully through the dark waters, capturing small prey. This mesmerizing creature looks like a living necklace floating in the deep sea. The barreleye fish is known for its transparent head, which allows it to see upward through specialized eyes. These tube-like eyes are shielded by a clear dome, helping it locate prey above. This fish's unique adaptation offers a glimpse into the extraordinary designs of deep-sea evolution. The deep-sea lizardfish rests on the ocean floor, ready to ambush prey with its sharp, needle-like teeth. With its elongated body and wide mouth, it lies perfectly camouflaged in the dark waters, waiting for an unsuspecting meal to swim by. A true predator of the deep, this fish is built for stealth and speed. The gulper eel is one of the most unusual creatures in the deep sea, with an enormous, expandable mouth that can capture prey much larger than itself. In the dark ocean depths, its massive mouth and long, slender tail give it a surreal, almost alien appearance, highlighting the creativity of nature's designs in the deep.